What are variables in science?
Variables are factors that can change or be changed in an experiment. Scientists use variables to explore how one change leads to another. Understanding the different types of variables is essential for designing reliable experiments and interpreting results accurately. Two major types are the independent variable and the dependent variable, each playing a distinct role in scientific investigations.
Independent variable, the cause.
The independent variable is the factor that a researcher deliberately changes or controls in an experiment. It's the cause part of cause and effect relationships. For example, if you're testing how sunlight affects plant growth, the amount of sunlight is the independent variable because you decide how much light each plant receives.
Dependent variable, the effect.
The dependent variable is what you measure in an experiment. It changes in response to the independent variable, so it's considered the effect. Using the plant example, the plant's growth, such as its height or number of leaves, is the dependent variable. It depends on how much sunlight the plant receives.
A practical example.
Think of a simple experiment, testing if fertilizer helps plants grow faster. You apply different amounts of fertilizer to several plants. Here, the independent variable is the amount of fertilizer added. The dependent variable is the rate of plant growth. This cause and effect relationship allows you to analyze the results and draw conclusions.
Key differences and why they matter.
Independent variables are what you change, while dependent variables are what you observe. Distinguishing between them ensures experiments are structured correctly. This distinction helps researchers identify patterns, make predictions, and understand relationships between different factors in science and many real-world situations.